Good morning guys, in front of me is brand new iPhone 17 and let me show you how to change region on this device. So first of all, open the settings, then reach General, scroll down and here mark language and region right here. Now tap on region and choose the one in which you want to locate your device in. Tap on change if you wish to change the language as well. And that's it. As you can see, it has been already switched. This is how you can change region on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.